Okay, my Easy Bright light got here. Came packaged like this. Give this grow light a shot. As you all know, I've been trying to grow plants on the inside. That is difficult without good natural light, so I'm trying to find grow lights. Easy Bright. Let's see here. There we go. So we're going to give this one a shot. See how it is. All right. There we go. 100 watts. Let's see how she does. Nice. Planted a variety of things I wanted to see. I've had a hard time getting basil, particularly opal basil, to grow indoors, so we definitely want to try that. Wanted to put some of my stuff that I'm going to put out in the summer garden, like watermelon, cantaloupe, zucchini, squash, things like that. So we did a few of the things like that. I have some red California yucca and tomatoes and a variety of things. But anyway, let me turn off the lights here and then we'll... Okay, this is with all the lights off. So, kind of a flicker. I got it on a dimmable type of a fixture, so maybe that has something to do with it. I'll have to experiment with that. Hopefully it won't mess the light up at all. But anyway, I'll be back with some updates. So far so good. Looks pretty cool. Alright, we're approaching 20 something days, going on 30 days, so I thought I'd give an update on this. In Utah, northern Utah this year, we've had nothing but rain all month long. We've had like a day or two of sun, and it's poked its head out here and there, but for the most part we've had really incredible non-stop rain. So I've been really kind of exploring and pushing the indoor plant thing, so I wanted to give an update. So I thought I'd try it out because I have been looking into this, and it's been pretty successful. I even brought in some of mine, some extra, planted all kinds of seeds, and I brought in some extras that were just getting hammered with weather. We had marble-sized hail one day, so it's been kind of crazy. But overall, I'm really happy. The ones I brought inside perked up quite a bit. Most of my seeds germinated. I have a few that have long germination periods, like the yucca plant and stuff, so not all of them came up in the 30 days, but I think it's about time we just make this video. So anyway, I'm going to kind of show you some of the plants. We have tomato plants, and they were leggy because before I had the light, when you sprout them, they'll reach for the light and get leggy. These are the ones that I kind of brought in from outside, but they were looking pretty bad. And then here you get some of the sprouts that started with the bright light, and it's been pretty good. And this basil I brought back inside because it wasn't doing well outside. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm kind of anxious to see how this growing season goes. I'm going to continue to grow indoors as well as outdoors this summer and see how it goes. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I think I will use this light. I know the magenta light kind of blocks some of the greenery, so I thought I'd give you guys a shot of the green. Like I said, this basil right here I brought in from outside. It wasn't doing too well, and some of these tomatoes on these outskirts and stuff I did. But if you zoom in here, they're doing pretty good. I even put some succulents in there to see how they would do, and they've done pretty good too. I think a few things may have struggled a little bit, but overall I don't really blame the light. Like This was brought in from outside, and I think that struggled a little bit, but overall I'm pretty happy. I mean, I think this will work well on getting starts going. It is a little bit past spring now for most people. Here in Utah, it looks like spring wants to hold on and winter wants to hold on, but sooner or later we'll get some good weather and we can really get out there and get going. But anyway, I'm Corey Lefevre. Like, share, subscribe, comment. I'll leave a link for Easy Bright if you're interested in that type of light bulb, or interested in grow lights, LED grow lights. Didn't notice a spike on our electric bill, which I thought was real cool too. Just want to mention that. I'll leave a link in the description, and we'll talk to you then.